Hey, it's John-Marc, and I'm excited that you're checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to be a better cartoonist in 3 easy steps. Yeah, if you like cartoons and you like to learn how to become a better artist, you're at the right spot. So make sure you subscribe and visit me and my videos, and you'll see a lot of different lessons that'll hopefully give you some tips and tricks in becoming a better artist. Well, what lesson are we going to do today? Raven, as she's part of the Teen Titan Go. So if you like this show as much as I do, I think you're going to appreciate this lesson. So, as always, if you have a paper and a pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.